Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling the Always On display on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your Apple Watch, click the digital crown to open up the App menu. Open the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down to and open Display and Brightness. Here there is a setting called Always On. Tap that. You can now enable or disable the Always On display for your watch here. You can also change the Always On display settings for your watch by using the Watch app on your iPhone. Select Display and Brightness in the Watch app. You can enable or disable Always On here in the same way. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.